Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint tutorial how to add reference image. So if you want to add a reference image, you can go to settings, click arrows in the bottom right, and then you can click settings. After it will be show for the settings dialog box, and you can check for the reference window. You can click here to active the reference window. And if you close, it will show the reference window in your drawing area. You also can create by using insert the photo by clicking at these icons, and you can import the reference image. You also can see the option in it. This is add reference, remove, and reset reference position. So as default, it will be show for this option. You can move in here. You can see. We can see view in the window by using this reference image. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Paint tutorial, how to add a reference. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.